Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm okay. I'm okay. So what's your name?
Lisa.
Lisa.
Yeah.
Nice name you got there.
Thank
So my question is, do you prefer sex before marriage or after marriage?
After.
After. Why did you say that after?
Personally, I am a religious person. In Christianity, we have to have sex after marriage.
Okay.
And besides that, I think it's wiser because sometimes, other guys, not every guy is the same. Other guys will just misjudge you if they find you're not a virgin after marriage.
Okay. So I have a second question.
Yes.
Would you allow me to ask you another question?
Okay, it's fine.
Okay, so my second question is, let's say you are walking in the streets and then a guy approaches you and tell you that they like you and yet you have a boyfriend. Would you go home and tell your boyfriend that someone did this to me, or you just keep it yourself?
No, I won't tell him.
Why?
It depends with the situation.
It depends with the situation. What do you mean by it depends with the situation?
Fine. Personally, I think your life is personal. It's not like you're married to your boyfriend. Right now, you have to do whatever you want because you're single, but you should not single. You are in a relationship, but you should consider that you are in a relationship. So, if you prefer dating many guys, many other people do, but it depends with what you personally believe. I personally think it's wiser to date one guy.
One guy.
Yeah. But it's not necessary to tell him everything you come across during the day.
So in short, you're saying that you won't tell him?
Yeah. It happens. It's normal. Let's just say he likes another girl. Would he tell me if he asks out another girl in the street?
So he's just your boyfriend, not your husband?
We're not married yet.
What if you're married?
You can be a wife to your boyfriend because you're not married.
Okay. So what if you are married?
Yes, if I'm married, maybe I should. In fact, I should.
You should.
Yes. It depends with the situation.
What
it's
do you
different.
mean by the
Like,
situation? It depends with the situation.
Okay, fine. Let's say I'm just walking right there, and then that guy just says to me, "I like you." You just say, or I'll just ignore him, or just look at him and keep on going.
Okay.
So I don't think it's necessary. Would you prefer your girlfriend telling you that this guy and that guy asked me out today?
Actually, I do. I mean, we would laugh over it.
Okay, fine.
So, like you said, it depends.
Yeah.
Everyone-
It depends on the type of person. Some people don't prefer being told. Yeah.
Okay. So, there you have it, folks. Thank you very much. What was your name?
Lisa.
Lisa. I mean, what is your name? Not was. Lisa. I was with Lisa, and her opinion it's quite intriguing and copacetic. And thank you, Lisa,
You're welcome.
for your time.
Thank you.
God bless you.